It's a good day to stop giving a fuck about all the things that keep tripping you up, the things that make you feel like you ain't enough, the people that drag you down instead of up. There's no point stressing too much. After all, life's too short to care what everyone's thinking of you. It's a good day to stop giving a fuck.
What's up, guys? It's Rihanna, Niece, and Gigi, and we are going to be washing Gigi's hair today. So I thought I would film this so I can show you what products I use. Yes. I'm going to show you guys what products I use, how I detangle this mess here, and get it looking all nice, right, and the curls popping. So you're coming to our house today on wash day so you can see how we go about this. I'm gonna build her little palette right here so she can lean her head down to the water and I can get a nice wash. It's been about a good, I don't know, 2 weeks since we washed it. It's really tangled and it's very messy, so I thought this would be the perfect day to show like how it can go from this to like really popping. So we're gonna get started, and I'm just gonna let the film roll, and I'll be doing a voiceover to kind of explain to you guys each step by step and the products that I'm using. So this is our hair basket full of all of our wonderful hair products. You probably see a lot of familiar things. Raisins. We're gonna have some snacks while we're washing hair. She got her raisins ready to go. But of course, we're not gonna use all of these products. I'll probably just use 2 or 3, but these are some of our favorite products. I can do a video just on products at another time if you guys are interested. But let's go ahead and get started because I already know this is about to take forever. So this is water, aloe vera juice, and a little bit of tea tree oil. Hi. I use this to re-wet our hair every day when I'm moisturizing it, and also as a leave-in conditioner. So I don't want to comb her hair out in this dry state. I'm going to wet it so that it doesn't hurt and doesn't pull out her hair.
Round and round we go. Life is like a merry-go. Sometimes I lose control. Whoa. Round and round we go. Life is like a merry-go, and sometimes I can't let go of my feelings, let go of my pride. Even though I tried it like 1,000 times, I would be lying if I said you wasn't by my side. But when I needed you the most, I saw you running high. Oh, I remember how we used to run the street, yeah. I pulled a James, came from Akron with the heat, yeah. Man, I can't believe that I wasted all my energy on somebody who would turn into my enemy. But look, life is like a...
The 97-cent brush works beautifully, you guys. Like, it's like brushing your hair 8 times each time. So for curly haired girls, people who get tangles, that type of thing, have very thick hair, this is perfect. Right. So I got it all brushed out. This is actually detangled. I know it still looks a little crazy, but you know, that's how curly girl's hair looks when it needs to be washed. So now we're gonna wash it. I'm gonna show you what shampoo, conditioner, and our whole like routine is. It is like a little bit longer of a routine because she does have very thick curly hair, so I like to go down the steps to make sure it gets very moisturized. Also, she has multiple textures of hair in her head. It ranges from type 3 to type 4 in her head. Like, we have everything. So I'm going to show you what kind of products I use to kind of trap the moisture, but also don't weigh the more looser textured hair down. So hopefully this will help if you have a multi-textured daughter or multi-textured haired, how do you say that? A multi-textured haired, then hopefully this will help, you know, with that. And I'll get the camera in her hair so you can kind of see what I'm talking about, the multiple textures. Back here, the texture is much looser, like at the nape of the neck, very loose curls. But then as you get to like the crown of the head, it gets much thicker, a little coarser. And I would say her hair type up here is more like a 4A. And down here is like a 3C. And then in the front, just like mine, it's less curly and more wavy. And I have absolutely no idea what number that texture would be in the front. So yeah, she has a little bit of everything. You can see this is a lot more spongy, a lot softer. And then this is looser. So we have everything in here. Are you saying you want your iPad?
Yes.
Do you gotta scream it though?
Yes.
Is that to get my attention? Oh, okay. So yeah, that's her multiple textures, but I'm gonna get to washing. Once her hair is wet, you can see the multiple textures even better. And I can show you kind of how I do her deep conditioner and concentrate certain products here and then different products here. So I'll be using the Cream of Moisture Argan Oil Moisturize and Shine shampoo. I'll give her at least 3 shampoos this time around because her hair is extra dirty.
But when I needed you the most, I saw you running high. Oh, I remember how we used to run the street, yeah. I pulled a James, came from Akron with the heat, yeah. Man, I can't believe that I wasted all my energy on somebody who would turn into my enemy. But look, life is like a merry-go, cause round and round we go. Shame on me for trying to fix something that was broke. Hold up,
So this is her hair, freshly shampooed. You can see this part is still a little tingly, but it looks much better already. So I'm sorry, Beba, did I get water in your face?
Yes.
Let me wipe it.
Yes.
So now we're gonna put the conditioner in, let that sit with the plastic bag for a little bit, and then rinse that out. The conditioner I'm gonna use is this Moisture Recovery Balm by Joico. This is something I use for myself too. I'm only gonna put it on the ends. I'm gonna avoid her scalp just so it doesn't irritate it. She is a toddler, so she does have a more sensitive scalp, but I love how this moisturizes her hair. I like to concentrate it mostly at the crown of her head where her hair is a little bit more dry and a little bit more coarse, and let the conditioner kind of drip down to the other parts of her hair so it doesn't weigh the looser curls down. Then we're going to make sure it gets in her hair super deep by using a plastic bag. You can definitely use like a plastic cap, which you probably should use, but we always have these around the house, so I never buy those. I use plastic bags on my head and I use them on Gigi. You put in conditioner in your hair, Mama? Good job. Yeah, let's put the bag on now. Yeah, I'm going to keep it under there and let it condition. Yeah, you like that? Look like mommy. It doesn't bother her at all, obviously. She loves it. She sees mommy do this once a week or once every 2 weeks, so she's fine.
Mommy, I don't.
You want to get down? Can we wait till we're done with your hair first?
No.
Do you need a snack?
Yes.
You want a cracker?
Yes.
So we're gonna let the conditioner stand for I think like maybe 4 or 5 minutes, and then we're gonna rinse that out, and I'm gonna show you what products we use in, you know, as leave-in conditioner and styling. I like to let her hair go free that first day so her scalp can breathe, you know, nothing's pulling, there's no ponytails, nothing, just free form curls, whatever form they want to take. And then the following days I'll do, you know, protective styles or just a quick bun, something like that. I don't let her wear her hair out every day because it gets messy way faster, gets tangled way faster. Ow. More cracker? Uh-oh, gotta cover your curls. There you go. I'm gonna give them some cracker. Yum, yum.
Mommy.
But ever since I've started using that aloe vera juice spray and the products that I'm going to show you that I'm going to put in her hair after we wash, girl, her hair has quadrupled in thickness, quadrupled in length. Like, her hair is so long. Wait till you see it when I brush it out. I'm about to detangle it further while the conditioner's in it, and you can see how long it is. It is down her back. I've also been using that aloe vera juice mixture on my own hair the last few months, ever since I showed you guys that Amazon haul for relaxed hair. I'll link that video below, but I've basically been using it ever since then, and my hair has done like a full 180. So I love that mixture. It, again, is aloe vera juice. I did use a whole plant aloe vera juice. I got it from Amazon. A little bit of water and a little bit of tea tree oil. That's literally it. In mine, I do add the rose water spray because I love that smell, and I just love the way it silkens my hair a little bit more. But in hers, I don't add the rosewater spray. Yeah, no, rosewater spray for you. So I did notice it was making her neck break out. So I just do the aloe vera, the water, and like a little sprinkle of tea tree, and it's perfect. So I'm going to detangle this hair now.
I know I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of
Long and thick.
make a move.
Long and thick, yeah, so it's getting really long. It's like almost down to the middle of her back. Not that we'd ever straighten it, so you would never know, but looks good, healthy, smells much better. So now I'm just gonna rinse this conditioner out, but you can already see her curl pattern returning and breathing fresh air. But you can see the different textures here way better. You see how this super loose texture, a lot thinner, then at the crown much thicker, curlier texture. And then in the front, it's more of like, it's looser, but it's more wavy than it is curly. I don't know. That's why I concentrate the conditioners in different areas and stuff. So, but now I'm gonna rinse this conditioner out, and I'll show you guys what her hair looks like, clean with nothing in it.
And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no harm in me.
So as a leave-in conditioner, I'm using the same Aloe Vera DIY spray. After that, I'm going to concentrate Jamaican black castor oil into her scalp and onto the coarser parts of her hair for that added moisture. Finally, as our hydration today, we're going to use these Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and it definitely makes her curls pop and keeps her hair highly moisturized.
So this is what it looks like, all freshly clean, still a little wet. It's got the product in there. I'll show you guys again once it's dry so you can see what it looks like. But she's already looking much happier. You wanna go outside? Yes.
So this is Gigi's hair at about 80% dry. Curls are definitely starting to pop, but what I like to do at this point is add a very small amount of Do Grow hair grease and an even smaller amount of Eco Styler gel. Mix those together and just seal all the moisture that we put in her hair for the day. I noticed this allows me to go more days in between moisturizing and sealing, and as you can see here on the finished product, this is completely dried curls. You can see they're still super soft, but they are popping, y'all. I hope this helped if you have a curly headed kid, especially if they have multiple hair textures like Gianna does. So if you liked this hair tutorial, if it helps you in any way, please give it a big old thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel if you enjoy motherhood and lifestyle content. And we will see you guys on the next one. Bye.